Hello my friends and welcome back. Today we are showing you guys this HDMI 2.1 two-way switcher. It can handle up to 8K at 60Hz, one button switching, plug and play. Alright, let's go ahead and show you what's inside the box. Alright, so, oh yes, oh my goodness my friends, yes. If you know me, you know I absolutely love small and compact items. Oh, so before we get to that fully, let's go ahead and see what else they provide us with. It looks like they are going to go ahead and also give us an HDMI cable. Oh, no, okay, so this is actually the power supply. Okay, no HDMI cable in here. They do provide you with a nice manual, and also looks like, okay, so that would go on there. Okay, that's actually really nice. Almost felt like it was magnetized. I don't think it is, but yeah, so they give you the power cable for this, which is a USB, and you just plug this into here. And how these work is very simple. So it's going to be like this. Make sure you read your label. We're going to read that in a minute. But it's going to be like this. And you're going to peel this off and put it here. And this is going to help it from sliding around as much. It'll help give it a little more grip. But this is really nice, my friends. Cable management with this. That is awesome. Wow. I love this. So, basically, how this is going to work is you're going to, now I'm going to demonstrate it for you guys, but I like to go over the stuff so you know how it's working when it's actually working. So what happens is you would have this HDMI going to your monitor. Well, I guess you could do it multiple different ways, but how I would do it is this would go to your monitor or whatever screen you want to use, and then you could actually hook up two computers, and then with a press of a button you can swap over computers. So you wouldn't have to turn off your one computer, you wouldn't have to turn off your other computer. You just press a button and it swaps right over. You can do this with projectors, you can do this with game systems, so it doesn't have to be computers. Anything with an HDMI cable, you can connect to here and use one monitor without having to turn anything off. So anything with an HDMI, which is really awesome. This is really nice. Absolutely love it. Wow. I love it that it's so small. I mean, look how thin that is. It's so small and compact. All right, let's actually get testing. All right, guys, so we got this hooked up. All we have to do is press a button. So let me go ahead and show you guys here. We have one monitor, and then we have a second hooked up to different devices. So with the press of a button, we should be able to swap this over to this one. So let's give it a shot. Time to press it once. Okay guys, here it comes. There we go. So now we have it set up with this. With one press of a button, that's all you have to do.